Look at all those green beans. I'm a little bit ashamed of this blueberry patch, not gonna lie. The blueberries are in there somewhere. See, these burrs popped up overnight on us. I haven't had time to work out here in the blueberry patch with everything else going on, and I mean, some of them are as tall as I am out there. We've got to find the blueberries in the middle of all this. I know they're over there somewhere. It's sad and pathetic. And then my grapevine is right here with the post. So the post marked the grapevine. Now we gotta find, and all of these weeds, all of them have thorns. You can kind of see some of the Chuck goes through no problem, huh, buddy? And we're gonna figure this out. Right there is my dad's nemesis, thistles. So far, we have not found them.
I don't think we were this far down, were we?
I don't know.
And I'm back here.
Found them. We've got one there.
There's probably one right here.
So we've got a post. There's one. It's not dead.
This should be the first one.
There's another one, number 4. We have 2 more we gotta find. They're as tall as us. All right, so we can weed eat everything but this row. You got a flower? Cool. He's my number 1 helper. Are you my number 1 helper? I think I should have planted it on the posts, not on the... I've seen it both ways though. So the kids came and told us that we have a chicken. Dead chicken?
Another dead
Alive.
chicken.
Another.
Alive.
It's alive?
I saw it. Go ahead and move it.
So it dragged it back in there.
You can see the start here.
Oh, yep.
Over there. You can see big piles back there leading underneath back to here, and it's kind of hard to see.
Where is it?
Underneath, she's underneath the board.
Chuck ain't gonna get under there.
That dog's too lazy.
Yeah, he is. Sorry, Chuck, but you are. See, it wasn't me, guys. Dad was sleeping. There she comes.
Chuck,
I
go.
mean, she looks okay. Oh,
Oh.
poor thing. Hi, Mama. She's like, oh, hi, girl. Oh, yeah, she's good. Hi, girl. She seems okay.
Did you do this?
Chuck.
He's acting awful.
Chuck.
Chuck, I was just bragging on you. He is acting like he's...
Chuck. Don't give me your meat attention.
Daddy, I didn't do it, I promise. I didn't do it, Daddy.
Sounds like horse gump.
Did you do this?
There you go. Thank you. Jacob's brought me green beans and potatoes out of the garden, new potatoes. So I'm gonna make a pot of green beans, potatoes, and sausages for dinner. It's one of our favorite summertime meals, but I thought that I would give the green beans and the potatoes a good washing first. Just kind of rinse them good. I put a little bit of vinegar in, and then I'll rinse them. I used to snap green beans with my grandma on the porch. Did you know that? And my mom. Your grandma. Yeah. Chuck's like, all right.
He has green beans.
Yeah.
Yeah, he does like green beans. He found one on the floor earlier.
I've got all my green beans and potatoes. Green beans snapped, potatoes chunked up. So I'm going to put some water in this pan. I'm going to make it to where they're completely submerged in water. And there's enough room for the sausage to go into. Okay, I usually have to move stuff around. My kitchen is very lived in, so it's never spick and span. As much as I would like it to be. I'm going to put the burner on about 3 or 4. I kind of want these beans, it's got to cook long enough for the potatoes to soften up. So while it's kind of sitting here coming up to temp and hopefully coming up to a boil, I'm just going to let it go. I may put a lid on it here in a little bit, but I'm going to let this go, let it cook, and I'm going to slice up the sausage and get that ready. I love it when I realize that the sausage has a resealable bag. I didn't realize that when I bought it. That's nice. I don't think so, puppy.
Someone has wormed his way in and found he smells something.
You think you're going to get sausage? No, you're not going to get any sausage.
That's hot dog.
They look like hot dogs, don't they?
Yeah.
So this is just smoked Polish sausage. Any kind of Polish sausage or ring sausage you can use. So I'm just going to slice it up. Now I may chunk it a little smaller because if I don't, I'll be the one, if I don't chunk it, I'll be the one who gets like 3 pieces of sausage in this whole pan. So, because my boys love sausage.
Someone's waiting for you to drop one.
Once you get your sausage all cut up, then you can just go ahead and put it all in the pan. Then you're just going to give that a good stir. And you're going to let it all cook together.
This is a pretty easy recipe to make.
Yeah, it's super easy to make.
You can't really screw it up.
And fresh from the garden. I love it. We're going to let that cook for a little bit. And then check it here in a bit. So, it boiled over on us, so we had to put it in a bigger pot. But we are ready. Looks delicious. Look at all those green beans. I'm harvesting this morning. I've harvested a whole basket full of jalapenos and tomatillos, so I need to get to making enchiladas and salsa. I don't really know what I'm doing when it comes to picking tomatillos, but I'm just kind of going by when they start to burst out of the skin. Like these are turning really light on the bottom and they're full. So that's kind of what I'm going by on picking them. We've been taking it, or what do I want to say?
We're going to Mansfield.
Yeah, we're going to Mansfield. So we're going to check out the Laura Ingalls Wilder home in Mansfield. Are you excited, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
He's been waiting for this for like 2 days. No picnicking, no pencil down. Park across road, caution fast traffic.
This is the museum. We can't take pictures inside, or I would show you, but... think so?
Yeah.
What? Did you make that salad bar trip worthwhile?
Yes, I did.
What was some of that?
Is it good, guys?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I got the best gluten-free pizza right
They're
here.
not spicy.
If you enjoy our videos, be sure and subscribe. And if you want to get a notification when we put a new video out, just click the little bell for that. We'll see you guys next time.